All right, so here's what's amazing. Water is completely amazing. If you think about it, it's the only substance that expands when it freezes. Everything else shrinks. Water expands, and that's good because it takes up a little bit more space, so ice cubes float. You know, the cool thing is you can walk out on the lake and skate on the lake and then look underneath and there's fish swimming. So,
exactly.
I mean, the world wouldn't be what we know today unless it was for that.
Very powerful force in nature.
Very powerful force, and if that powerful force happens to be contained in a pipe or something, that's dangerous. Here's the general rule that I like. If you freeze 10 cups of water, water will always expand 10% of its volume.
That much?
So watch, 10 cups of water, if I freeze it, I'll get 11 cups of ice.
No kidding.
Yeah.
I'll be done.
So nice little science project there for the kids, is
right.
expanding water. But let me show you our setup, and so you can show the viewers at home kind of what this looked like.
All right.
Here's what I did. I wasn't lying to anybody. Feel this. It's a pretty heavy-duty pipe.
Big, heavy pipe.
Pretty heavy. Inch and a half. All right?
Inch and a half pipe.
And so now we have to fill it with water. So the way that we did it is just go ahead and put it down in the water bath if you want.
Right down in here?
Yep. So just
here I go, into the water bath.
It's just water, so you don't have to worry about it.
Oh,
it's just okay.
well, I never know when I'm dealing with you.
But it's kind of interesting to see you. All right, so now the other cap goes here. I did the same
you
exact
fill it with
thing.
water.
Yep. So we just don't want any air bubbles in here at all. So I did the same exact thing with a piece of PVC as well.
Okay.
So what we had.
This will be plastic pipe.
Thank you very much. The consumer reporter in you is coming in.
Thank you.
So here it is. So that's what we had, completely filled with water, just like your pipes at home.
All right.
And then we took a container like this, and we put it here, and then we froze it, and we used the liquid
with
nitrogen.
liquid
to freeze
nitrogen,
it.
you froze
Right?
the pipe.
And we did the same thing. So
okay.
let's take a look at the video here, and you can kind of see what happens outside. So I put the pipe down inside, poured the liquid nitrogen on top, and all we're trying to do is to freeze it. So now that water expands, and when it expands, it took about 2 minutes. Through the magic of television, you can kind of see what happens. Watch this. 3, 2, 1, and it goes.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
Just amazing.
Boy,
Look at the crack in that
force.
pipe right
sure
there.
Enough.
An amazing crack. And PVC, if you think about your sprinkler system as well, if you just leave a little bit of water in there, and again, it's completely filled with water.
Right.
This has a little bit more explosive force. Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, for
Now look at a little slow
sakes.
motion there. When it actually goes, you can really just see it kind of take off. Watch it just pop.
Oh, for heavens. And now, of course, you have water pouring into your house, right?
That,
That's what happens.
yeah, and that's
right.
what would happen. Take a look at this.
That's all
This
that's
is what I
left in
have
the
left
PVC?
of the plastic pipe.
Oh,
So that's
my
what's
gosh.
in the PVC.
So now you realize why you get so much
Yeah.
damage. I mean, you just have
exactly
water
right.
pouring out.
Take a look at the frozen ice here in the side, so you can kind of see what the
Here's the
little
ice.
piece looks like
Still-
there.
still
But
inside.
take a look at,
And
that
then there's
split
the crack.
that you
see the
that's right
crack
there.
in the pipe. Look at that.
So it's no wonder that people actually leave a little bit of water running if you think that you're in danger of that pipe freezing. I know it's a waste of water, but it's either that or you're going to fix the pipes. They'll leave a little bit running sometimes to be able to do that. The best thing, of course, is just to insulate those pipes or an outside or exposed wall.
And of course,
but that's an amazing thing.
that is amazing, and that's why so many people had unhappy weekends.